I came home, but you were not around.
Auntie, have you forgotten that I go to fellowship every Wednesday and Thursdays?
I did not forget. But sorry.
Well, hi people.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you, Auntie.
Did you both come in together?
Were you behind me? Can I take one question at a time? And I need to sit.
Please sit. I even wanted your sister to sit before you came in. Ifeka, please can you sit? It's nothing new I want to say other than to ask you. Isn't it high time you stop this your overzealous going to church and start going out often?
What's wrong with church?
Reg, did you meet your husband in church?
The talk. Auntie, I know. It's the marriage talk, okay? And as much as I love marriage because it's a beautiful union, I can still meet him in church.
Rebecca, you have gone to church for years now and it is not working. It's time you try out something else. Go to club, karaoke, joints where you can meet a real man. Can't you see at least your sister met her husband in the club?
Auntie, I'm not about that life.
I know, but you're not getting any younger. Your utmost concern now should be how to get a man for yourself. Rebecca, look at your age. If your mother was alive, she would be telling you the same thing.
It's not entirely my fault, Auntie. Mama didn't raise me. She raised Regina. Have you forgotten she gave me to you to raise? And you were so strict raising me up. You didn't let me socialize. And what you're saying, I can't start now to learn.
It's not my fault. Rebecca, it wasn't my fault. I didn't want to spoil you. Your mother handed you over to me to take care of because she couldn't afford to raise both of you. And I wasn't comfortable then. But I had to do it just because of my elder sister.
Auntie, we all know that poverty story of you and your sister. But I and Regina had different upbringing. We can't be the same person because we are identical.
But at least try. Try, my dear. You both lived in the same womb. No man wants a boring woman.
Well, people, I think my stay here has come to an end. I only came here to drop off your mates and see, okay? So, here they are. My kids are home alone with the nanny and it's almost her closing time, so I got to go.
Thank you, Reg. Thank you for always remembering to refill my job.
Of course, Auntie. You're the mother we have now, so I have to do it. And you, Rebs, you need to come over to the house this weekend, okay? So we talk about this marriage talk. All right? All right, I'll come this weekend.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Can I go inside now?
Yes, but it doesn't end here.
Of course I know it will not end until you see me out of it. Hey, babe.
Hey, baby. Are they asleep yet?
Yep. I helped Glory put them to sleep.
Glory hasn't gone home yet?
No. I asked her to stay because we are supposed to head out. I mean, she's supposed to be done by now. You work too much.
I'm almost done, babe. Signing off now. Ready to sleep?
Sleep?
Yeah.
Today is Friday and we are supposed to go to the club. Reason I asked Glory to stay back.
Oh, I said that?
Yes, you did.
I'm so sorry, babe. Look, can we leave it for tomorrow? I'm kind of exhausted at the moment. come on, babe. Don't get like that. I mean, we club every other Friday. And I'm not saying we're not going to go. I'm just saying let's reschedule for tomorrow. Okay? You don't make sleeping in the club right now, do you? All right, come here, my girl. That's my girl.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I promise. We can go to bed now, right?
Yes, but I'm not happy with you.
I'm sorry, baby. Good morning, my angels. You not done eating?
No.
Okay, just hurry up, okay? So we can go.
Aren't you going to eat?
Oh no, honey. I need to rush to the office. I have a client who's already waiting for me at the office.
Oh, are you done? Sure. Are you done?
All right, let's go.
You missed big time. Yesterday was mad.
Really?
The fun was mad. Do you know that Osa started spraying me money? All eyes were on our table. I mean, everyone was just looking at us on our table. Osas was so hyped that everyone practically joined him. You missed though.
Can you imagine?
You missed
Look
big
at what
time.
Williams made me miss. But don't worry, I am not missing tonight for anything. Yes.
I know. You know, Williams, your husband is not the social butterfly like you. And I'm surprised that every other Friday he always follows you out.
You know what they say about couples? One has to influence the other.
Yeah, right. And you're doing a good job influencing your husband.
Yeah, I am. I'll take that credit, but God, I'm so sad that I missed. And you know what? Impromptu funds are the best.
I know. But don't say too much. Tonight we're gonna have fun.
I'm sure we are
So
going
much
to have
fun.
I can't wait.
I know.
Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die. Such a beauty of life. Oh na na, oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die.
So this is really nice for girls your age.
Ooh, I like this
I
one.
know you like.
Mommy!
Yes, my
Good
angel.
afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon. How are you?
My mom. Mommy, we've been waiting for you to wake up. Dad said we shouldn't disturb you. Mommy slept too long.
Yeah, my angel. That's because mommy was really tired. Now, where is your daddy? He went out when I got here. He asked that I stay with the kids since you're still asleep. Yeah, hangover. Not surprised. Oh, judgmental much? I'm not judging you, I'm just saying that I know my twin sister. So how long have you been here? I came by 9 a.m. and this is 1 p.m. Oh my gosh, I really overslept. But you know what? I'll go upstairs and have my bath and come down so we can talk. Hope you've had something to eat. Yes, I made the stew and Glory boiled the rice. Good. Have you kids eaten?
Yeah. Yes, we have.
Alright, I'll be right back. All I'm saying is, that way you wouldn't have Auntie Agatha all over your face, telling you about marriage. Have you discussed with your husband about this? No? And you felt the need to tell me to come and live with you without discussing with your husband. What if he says no? No, Williams is not going to disagree, okay? He never says no to me. Whatever I want, I get. Must be nice having someone who loves you and does whatever you want. Of course, I mean, he's lucky too. Look at me. I'm a whole package. Well, I still suggest that you tell him first, while I think about it. Rebecca, there is no thinking about it, okay? Just come and stay here already. Maybe staying with me would make you loosen up a bit because you're so uptight. No, I'm not uptight. No, you are. Have you seen yourself? Up. tight.
So, has Rebecca agreed to move in with us yet?
Well, she said she's going to think about it and get back to us.
Okay. Well, whatever you and her decide is okay with me.
Oh, thank you so much, baby.
Anything for you, baby.
I know I can always count on you. Thank you.
Anything for you. I'm not asleep.
I'm not feeling sleepy yet.
Okay.
Yeah, you can sleep while I stare at you.
There's actually nothing to think about here. If your sister says you should come and live with her, it's a good idea for both of you to bond very well. You know, both of you were denied of that opportunity when you were young. But it's not late to start over.
Auntie, what about the jobs I've been applying for in Lagos and Abuja? What if one comes out and they call me?
When they call you, you can go. But for now, you have to move in with her. How are you even sure that they will call you for those jobs? Jobs that you've been applying for a year and a half and nothing happened.
So what about you, Auntie? How are you going to cope if I leave?
How was I supposed to cope if you were in your husband's house? Huh? Please, pack your things and move in with your sister. You never can tell. One of her husband's friends will see you and marry you.
Auntie, please, we are done talking. Let me go to bed before you start your marriage counseling.
You will go now.
Good night.
Which is always be. Good night.
Girls, table manners.
Sorry, Mommy.
So, Rebecca, how was your first night?
It was sound and peaceful.
Great. I'm glad you feel at home here. Okay? All right. As much as I'd love to see it and spend some quality time with you beautiful themselves, I have to run. My biggest account is flying in from Abuja this morning for an important meeting. Okay? So, gotta go. See you when I get back.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Angels.
Bye, Dad.
Every one of his trips, he comes with a new designer. This is beautiful. I know. It's my favorite. It's worth $2,000. 2,000 what? Why are you screaming? It's just $2,000. I have clothes way more expensive than that. Aren't you lucky? I see the way he looks at you like you're the center of his world. Williams really loves you. Love? Oh, please. Williams worships me. He treats me like an egg. Honestly says I couldn't have asked for a better man. But don't worry, you're going to get your Prince Charming very soon, okay? And he will treat you like the queen that you are, okay? As for now, you can take as much of my clothes as you want, and I'll still buy you a new one. Okay, sis. Hi, sis. Yes, I'm going to pick the kids from school. Can you please help me make something for them? Noodles, maybe. Glory's mom is sick and she has gone to see her. Also, if you can help me microwave the soup for Williams when he gets back. Serve him with semo. He comes home every afternoon for lunch? Yes, every other day. Unless he travels, he doesn't like eating out. Okay, I will. Alright, so I'm going to see you later. Alright, bye. Bye.
Where's my wife?
She has gone to pick the kids from school.
Okay. Have you had anything to eat?
No, but I will.
Okay.
Alright, let me get you water to drink.
All right.
So, Emily, you're the smartest kid in your class.
No, I'm not. It's Cynthia. She always takes first position and I come second.
That's impressive. I like that. You should be proud.
No, I'm not. I'll be proud when I take the first position from her.
And you will. You know why? Because you're very determined, okay? And if you push through, you're going to take that position. Alright? And you, Luna, what are you drawing?
A tiger.
A tiger?
Looks like a hungry cat.
Don't mind her, okay? You're getting it right.
She's lying to you.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Bro. Look, right?
Yeah.
I am all about the fun. I am all about the fun. See, any of my relationship that is getting to that stage, I cut it off. You see this thing you're doing with Williams?
Yeah.
This marriage thing. It's not for me. I can't.
Girl, the
I know
thing
I don't have that
is,
strength.
the thing is, you have never been in love. Okay, and one day you're going to meet someone, and when you fall, you're going to fall hard. You'll be the one ringing the marriage bell.
That will not happen.
It will.
I don't see that happening. You see this Osas guy? That guy actually thinks I'm serious with him. But he's just wasting his precious time.
Aren't you guys dating now?
Dating?
Mm-hmm.
Please, I beg. Dating care. Does Maya have time to date anybody? Look, girl, I am all about the fun.
All
I am
about
all
the baby
about
girl
the
life.
baby girl life. The baby girl life.
I know.
Look, I am only with that guy because of the cash.
Mm-hmm.
And he knows how to live life.
Mm-hmm.
He knows how to spend the money. Apart from that, girl. So,
What?
are we clubbing this weekend?
Are you seriously asking me?
Right?
What else will I be doing in a weekend if not clubbing with my
to that, baby.
girl? Don't worry, I'm going to talk to Williams. Moreover, my sister is here, so she can take care of the kids.
Now you're talking.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're talking.
Hi, Ribs. Good morning. Good morning. I'm heading to the salon. Why are you so early? I know, but I need to get to the spa too. Can you please help me dress the kids for school? All right. I'll see you. And that's it. All done. I think you girls are ready to go.
But you haven't dressed my hair. Mine too.
Oh, don't worry. That's going to be a piece of cake. All right, let me start with you. Mr. Williams, good morning.
Oh, good morning, Rebecca. How are you?
I'm fine. I had them washed and ironed yesterday. I noticed most of your official clothes were dirty.
Yes. I haven't had time to take them to the laundromat. You're such a lifesaver. You know, I've been searching my wardrobe all morning for what to wear. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Also, the kids are ready for school. They're waiting for you at the dining.
Okay, I'll join them shortly.
All right. May I still take other of your dirty clothes to the laundromat?
Yeah, sure. I wouldn't mind at all. That'll be great. Thank you.
All right.
Hey, I've got something to wear.
Don't worry. Hi.
Hey, Haley.
Hi, baby. You're home early.
Yes, I am. And that's because I was missing my beautiful wife.
Oh, that's so sweet. Welcome.
Dad, welcome.
How are you, my angel?
I'm fine.
Where's your sister?
I think she's sleeping upstairs. And Rebecca is making my hair.
Thank you. Oh, is that so?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I like it. Okay, just go finish up.
So,
Here, I got something for you.
you got something
Mm-hmm.
for me, and it's a Gucci bag.
You like?
Yes, I love it. Oh my god. This looks expensive.
Yeah.
But you know you didn't have to.
Oh, come on. Oh, you deserve everything good.
Well, I know. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
All right, you know what's going to happen. Just go upstairs and freshen up. And I'll serve you.
Good, because I'm famished.
I know. Wow. I haven't seen these pictures. Are they new? This one was taken in New York, right in front of Statue of Liberty. It was a wild and beautiful experience. Oh God, wow. What about this? Where was it taken? And how many countries have you been to? Honestly, I have lost count. That was taken in United Kingdom. Really? You have traveled almost half the world. And look at me, I'm just here, decaying. I haven't even been to 5 states in Nigeria. Sis, don't worry. Your time will come, okay? And you're going to go to all these amazing places. I didn't even travel 5 states in Nigeria until I met Williams. So don't worry, when your Prince Charming comes, he will turn your boring life around. I am not boring. You are boring, Rebecca.
Honey?
Yeah?
I'll be leaving for Abuja on Thursday for a conference.
You're leaving for Abuja and you're just telling me now.
I didn't know. Okay, I just saw the mail minutes ago. You know Mr. Collar, right? He's sick and the board of directors are asking that I represent him.
Oh, babe, but we planned on going out this weekend with the kids. This is the 3rd time you're cancelling on them. How do you think this is going to make them feel?
Come on, don't worry, babe. Look, I requested for leave. Okay, and once that's approved, we're going on a vacation. The children are going to definitely be on a holiday. Huh?
That's what you always say.
Come on, babe, I promise. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Are you sure?
Certainly, baby. I promise.
Alright, for your information, I'm going to go to the market on the next market day. Come on, girls. You both have disturbed your Auntie Becca enough.
Enough.
Not at all, okay? They are so adorable. Even at that, you have overworked yourself, okay? You need rest. Come on, let's go.
I want Aunt Rebecca to take us. She reads us bedtime story.
Oh, so now you prefer your Aunt Rebecca to your mommy. I think they prefer my story. Alright, girls. Hmm. Anyhow, so far you girls get to bed before 9 p.m.
Okay.
Alright girls, let's go. Mm. Okay.
Hey, honey. Good morning.
You're leaving already.
Yes, I am.
Aren't you going to have breakfast?
I am actually have an appointment to catch, okay, and I'm running late. But I could take something though.
What?
Come here.
Look at you, naughty boy. You better go to work before you say I'm the one that made you go late.
All right, I'll just go. I'll just go.
Alright. Babe, can we go clubbing this weekend?
No, Regina, we can't. I have a quotation to deal with, and it's already past that line.
That's so sad. I really thought I was going to go have fun with you.
I'm so sorry about that. But you can go to the club and have fun. May I could go with you.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Just go and have fun.
Okay. Bye. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
You are so lucky. Yeah. He's one of a kind. Okay. Let's get back to breakfast. Hello? Yes, this is she. Yes, I did. No, I haven't checked my mail yet. Wow! Oh my God! Are you serious? Yes, I'm still interested, yes. All right, I'm going to do that right away. I'll check my mail. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is so good. Okay. Babe, have you seen this new series, Wednesday? My God, this series is so creepy.
Come on, you know I hardly have time for TV series. I haven't.
I know, but you need to see this one. Trust me.
I will see it. I'll make out time to see it.
Can I have a word with you both? Sure. It's about my stay here. I got a job in Lagos and I would like to take it. You want to move to Lagos? Yes. Why? What's the sudden decision? You haven't even discussed this with me before. I know, it's a last-minute decision. They just sent me the mail and told me I got the appointment. And I would really like to go. I mean, this is my dream job. Bex, please, just be patient with us, okay? We are going to find you a job. Regina, there is nothing for me here, okay? This job in Lagos is what I've dreamt of. And I want to go.
Come on, babe. And then, if this is what she wants to do, just let her do it.
Are you sure about this? I have never been so sure in my life. But not to worry, I would always keep in touch. Okay, so when do you intend to leave? Oh, Rex. I'm going to miss you so much. I'll miss you too. Remember, if you need anything, please call me, okay? Of course I will. Alright, let me drop you at the airport. No, don't bother yourself. If you leave the house, who's going to be with the kids? Okay. Come here. I love you. I love you too. Take care. Alright. Bye.
Oh na na, oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die. Life is a vibe and we live to survive.
Alright, babe. Safe flight, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Be careful when you get there and remember, no junk. Eat healthy.
Of course. Yes, my lady. Come here.
I'll miss you.
Come on, you don't have to. Huh? I'll be back before you know it.
Alright, take care.
You too.
Bye.
Live to survive. Oh na na na. Trying to make some sense of it, so I'm making this song of it. Trying to analyze.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine Osas talking about going to meet his family? To meet his family? I mean, how did we even get there? Because I am sure I haven't given him that kind of vibe before. I'm surprised.
What vibe?
The wifey vibes, duh. And now that I'm actually thinking about it, it's beginning to irritate me. Marriage.
Maya, what's wrong with being a wife? You should go see his family.
Did you wake up from the wrong side of the bed?
All I'm saying is, you should settle down. You're not getting any younger.
Oh, really? I'll pretend you didn't say that to me. I'll pretend I didn't hear this. Regina, are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm fine. Why?
Because you're supposed to tell me to move on to the next person if it's starting to cross his boundaries. And look at you telling me to settle down. To settle down. Since when?
Since my sister came to stay with me, she has this positive vibe she imposed in me. Oh, maybe it's because I miss her.
Oh, so now you want to be like your sister? Ew. Girl, what is wrong with you? Look, you had better snap out of it. Snap out of it, because it doesn't suit you one bit. Advising me to settle down. Really? Don't make me laugh, please. Just snap out of it. Telling me to settle down. Me, Maya.
Life, difference of choice and how we survive. Nobody knows it all. Nobody has it all. But everybody wants it all. Everybody wants it all. So the sisters are bound together in a one, but they're living different lives. They have to survive. God is the bond like a tie to the souls. Such a beauty of life. Such a beauty of life. Oh na na. Oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na. Oh na 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 na.
Wait. Let us share the grace, okay? What?
Mommy, you've never shared the grace before. Only Aunt Rebecca does.
Is that so? Alright. Maybe Mommy learned from Aunt Rebecca. So now close your eyes and let us pray. Father, we thank you for this food as we are going to eat it.
So what later happened to the dog? Did he ever reach the finish line?
Yes, Emily, but before he got there, the tortoise already won and was given all the food.
That's not fair. I feel sorry for him. No, Luna. The dog was greedy and arrogant, so we got what he deserved.
So what does that teach us? If you're slow and steady, you win. If you take steady steps without distractions, you're going to win against all odds. Okay?
Okay.
All right, kids, it's time for you both to go to bed. Good night.
Good night, Mommy.
All right.
Mommy never told us a bedtime story. Only Dad does. Maybe she's changing.
So, you had better get ready. Because I'm coming to pick you up at exactly 11 p.m. Okay?
11 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Why so late and what are we going to be doing at 11 p.m.?
We are going to the club, dummy. What are you even saying? I thought you told me your husband said you could come without him.
Oh.
So what's the problem?
That is correct.
Mhm.
But you see, my sister is no longer here to take care of the kids and Glory's not around, so there wouldn't be anyone I would leave them with.
Take them to your aunt. Oh, Regina, look, don't bail on me. You know I love partying with you. I love partying hard with you. You are the life of the party. But what will I be doing without you there? I mean, it's going to be so boring without you. And besides, Osas will be there. He will keep sulking up to me. I wouldn't want that. Don't bail on me, girl. Let's go. Yes? Where do? Look, you had better look hot. I mean, hot. Okay, girl, I'm out. I'll see you by 11 p.m. Get ready and look hot, okay?
Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die. Such a beauty of life. Oh na na, oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die. The mystery of life is a twist and a twist. Let's hope it ends.
Your sister did what? Lagos. What is she looking for over there that is not here? Who does she know?
Well, she said you knew about the job. I even told her to stay back and have patience with us so we can find her a job. But you know, Rebecca, she has a mind of her own.
Sure, I know. But is that why she couldn't even let me know before leaving?
She left 2 days ago. I'm sure she's going to call you as soon as she settles.
This girl is really giving me problem. She's really giving me problem. She knows I won't approve her decision. That's why she left without letting me know.
Auntie, Rebecca is very responsible, okay? This decision she made, I'm sure she must have thought about it thoroughly before making the decision. Let's have some faith in her.
This child.
I think it's time to go.
Oh.
Kids! Emily!
Yes, Mom.
Luna, come, it's time to go.
Okay.
You probably did me already.
Auntie, it's time to go. Alright, girls. Auntie, we're going to see some of this.
So you are leaving me here?
Yes.
Yeah? Just like that.
Don't hug your auntie.
I miss you people. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, my darling.
Alright, Auntie,
Okay.
see you around.
It's okay.
Okay.
Bye. Take care of yourselves. Hey.
Home.
Hi, honey. What happened? I wasn't expecting you.
Yeah, the conference got cancelled. I had to take the next available flight back home. So, how's my baby doing?
I'm okay. Just that I missed you.
You did?
Yes.
How much?
A little.
A little?
Yes.
Just a little? Maybe I should have just stayed back. That way you were going to miss me very much and probably even beg me to come back home.
Okay. I missed you very much and I'm glad you're back. This weekend isn't going to be boring.
Boring? Come on. It couldn't have been boring. You have the kids to deal with. Just to a handful.
Yeah, they are.
Well, talking about them, where are they?
They're in their room taking their siesta.
Okay. Man,
Yes.
I am famished. What do you have for me?
All right, let me go fix you something. What do you want?
My favorite.
What's
It's a
that?
beef soup and fufu. You don't know how to work it.
Okay, I will.
This looks yummy. Smells yummy. Huh? Would you eat?
No, I'm not in the mood for bitter leaf.
I don't get. Since when did you start not being in the mood for bitter leaf? We practically fight over leftovers.
Yeah, I know. It's just that I'm not hungry right now. Okay, I'll eat with the kids later. This is for you.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I miss my sister.
Well, she'll be fine. And you should be too. Let me dig into this. Sure you don't want to try this?
What? What's wrong?
Baby made this?
Yeah. Is he bad?
Bad? Babe, bad is an understatement. This is horrible. This soup is so bitter. Did you even watch the bitter leaf?
Yes, I did.
Come on, babe. Usually you make the best bitter leaf soup. What happened today?
I guess I lost my magic, okay? I am so sorry. Let me quickly fix you something else.
It's all right. I understand. That's the whole twin bond thing. Hmm?
Yeah, I'll quickly fix something else.
Not tonight, babe.
Come on.
Come on, not tonight. Not tonight.
Why?
You know how tedious my work is, right? I'm very exhausted. Please.
Alright, it's fine. Don't worry. You're not going to do anything. I'll just do all the work.
Oh, come on. Babe, not tonight. Just go to bed. Finally, she's awake.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, babe, I haven't even asked you about your sister. Has she contacted you yet?
Oh yes, she did. She's doing very fine.
Okay, great. My regards to her when next she phones.
Yeah.
Sit up. Could you sit up? There's something I want us to discuss. So you know that leave I told you about?
What leave?
The leave I told you about? The one I applied for?
Okay, tell me about it.
Okay. I might be taking that leave soon.
Are you serious?
Mm.
Oh my god, are you serious? Are you?
Calm down, okay? It's not like it's the first time you've gone on a vacation.
I know it's not my first time, just that I can't wait for us to spend time together, you know. No work, no kids, just us. And who knows, we might even make another baby.
Hello, Mrs. Williams? Need I remind you that you are the same person who say no babies?
But I'm allowed to change my mind, right?
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, where do you want to go?
Paris is the city of love and it's so beautiful.
Paris? We were in Paris 2 years ago.
Yes, but I mean, we didn't see all the other beautiful cities, so yeah, we can do that again.
Okay, anything for you?
Yes! Thank you. is it? Emily, come on, take water, take water. Have some water. What is it? What is it? What is it? Come on, drink water, drink water. Drink water. Emily, what is it? Oh, sorry.
You knew she's allergic to garlic. So why did you cook with it? I'm talking to you, Regina. Answer me! Answer me, Regina!
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You're sorry? You knew. It's not like you didn't know. So what's your excuse? Huh? If she hadn't been rushed to the hospital, she could have died. You know that? All for what? Your carelessness. Is it because I let you leave? Go to clubs and do whatever you like? What kind of a mother are you? Oh, don't even give me that look. Thank your stars.
Baby, I'm really sorry I yelled at you earlier.
You don't have to apologize. I made a costly mistake. I deserve all the yelling.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Nobody deserves to be yelled at. Alright? You know I'm not the type of man to raise my voice at a woman, let alone my woman. I was just... You can attest to that, can't you? I was just furious and I'm really sorry. Okay?
I was so scared.
It's okay.
I thought I lost her.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Okay.
Like that.
I saw someone.
There's
a ghost there. There's a ghost.
A ghost?
Yes.
What are you talking about? There's no one here.
There's someone there.
Absolutely no one here, babe. What are you even talking about a ghost for? Ghosts do not exist. Are you hallucinating?
No, there was someone there.
I just went in there myself. There's nobody there. Come on, babe, come on. Ghosts do not exist. And even if they do exist, why would a ghost come to you? Come here. Just relax, then you're ready. Sit down. Sit. You just can relax, okay? Read.
Thank you.
Babe, today's Wednesday. They should be in their sportswear, not school uniform.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I forgot. I've not been thinking straight lately. I'll just quickly change them.
Don't worry, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll take care of them. Come on, ladies, let's go.
Leave your box, can't you?
Oh yeah. Oh.
All right. I love you two very much, okay?
Love you too, Mommy.
Good. You both be good at school, right?
Okay. Okay.
There it goes. Time to
Bye.
go.
There's something you've been trying to hide. Oh yeah. Is there something you've been trying to hide?
Hey, babe.
Yeah?
About what happened last night. If you still feel terrified and you can't stay home all by yourself, you can go over to your aunt's place. Or invite your friend Maya over.
It's okay, I'm fine. Moreover, you said ghost doesn't exist, so I'm okay.
Alright. You're good, eh?
Alright, you too.
And, if you encounter any problems and you need me, call me.
You will.
Alright. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Look a mess. Why are you still on your nightwear? Regina, don't tell me you're trying to bail on our appointment day.
Appointment day?
Yes.
What?
You just asked me that. Today is Wednesday.
I know that, and so?
Spa day. Come back to earth, Regina.
Oh, that.
Yes.
I'm not going.
What did you just say? You're not going.
Yes.
Are you pregnant again?
Hell no. I'm not.
Then why are you acting so forgetful and clumsy? Because you only do that when you're pregnant. I think we need to see a doctor.
Oh, please, Maya. I think you need to go. I'm really tired.
Did you just ask me to leave your house? That's a first. Call me when you're ready to tell me what the problem is. Since you started acting up.
Everybody knows that we live and we die. Life is surviving, we live to survive. Live to survive.
Please don't hurt me. Please, I'm sorry, no.
Who are you talking to? Regina!
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Ah!
Who are you talking to?
It's the ghost.
What ghost? What ghost?
The ghost, I saw it again.
Come on, Regina, there's nobody here. Nothing.
Okay. Why did you come back?
Well, I forgot my phone. I was upstairs getting it when I heard you scream. Come on, Regina. I think you need medical help. You may be developing a panic disorder since your sister left. It's getting serious.
No, I'm fine. I'm okay.
You sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
I'll just get my phone.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Did your sister tell you why she hasn't called me?
Auntie, are ghosts real?
Why do you ask?
I think that I saw one.
Whose ghost did you see and what was it trying to communicate?
Does that make it real?
Of course. After your mother died, she appeared to me for some months.
So, how did you make it stop? When did she stop coming?
At some point, my dear, she stopped appearing. But whose ghost did you see?
I don't know. I didn't see the face clearly.
Maybe it's time to breathe.
Hey, baby.
Almost ready?
Mm-hmm.
You look good.
And you look gorgeous yourself. Mm. Oh. Hello. Yeah, I'll be with you shortly. All right. So that I have to run. Okay. I need you to take the kids out today after school.
Without you? Let's leave it for the weekend.
Oh, come on. I already promised them today. Okay? So just take them out and have fun. Hmm? I know how much you hate to use your money, so the bill is on my card.
Where is your card?
You know what? Always keep it someplace it is.
Same place.
Oh yeah.
So, Luna, the book is dashed table. A in, B under, C on top of the under. So what's the answer? No, that's wrong.
Maybe it's time to breathe.
The book is under the table.
You have been holding your breath.
Girls, who wants to play a game?
Me.
I know. All right, we'll play a game. All right. Okay. So who wants to tell me the pin to Daddy's ATM card? Whoever gets it right will get a cup of milkshake from me. So,
I know. It's your birthday. I heard you and Dad talking about it.
my birthday, right? Okay, I'm going to get you that, okay?
Yes.
All right, girls, run along and go change. Wear something nice.
Okay.
What was that for?
What was what for?
I mean, why are you making them give you a pin you and I know? Why?
I like to put your brain to test.
Ah, with a 4-digit number.
Something like that.
You're funny. So, what's the plan? Are we going shopping with the girls?
No, we will drop them at my Aunt Agatha's place, but first, we'll buy them that milkshake.
That's fine. I can't wait to shop.
I know you do. What else are you leaving for? Emily!
Oh na na, oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in all your life. Oh na na.
Have you seen this? This is really nice. It will suit your color.
It's expensive, Maya.
What do you mean expensive? I mean, this is where you've always shopped. And you've never complained about the price before.
I know, but with the present economy situation, I just want to cut down costs.
Cut down cost? Oh, Regina, I don't know you to be like this. Look, you're going to pick whatever you want in this boutique and you're going to pay with that card.
No.
That's why he gave it to you.
No, Maya, please. Let's just go.
Oh, really? Since you don't want to shop, I'll do it for you. Okay, let's
Maya.
see what we have here. Guess you don't like this one. Oh yes, I think this will look really great on you, right? Have this. Have this. Red, this is red. It's gonna suit you.
Have you seen
Have
this
this one.
price? Have you seen this price, Maya? It's ridiculous.
What do you mean it's ridiculous? Regina, you've never complained about the price before. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Okay, I'll
Oh,
just
no,
pay
this
for
is
this.
ugly. I think this your twin sister lifestyle is beginning to affect you. I mean, her boring lifestyle is beginning to affect you, Regina. Like, I don't understand. Is your husband complaining? He's not. He gives you the money to spend, so you spend the money. Regina, look. I understand. I know you and your twin sister didn't bond while growing up. But you need to come off it. You need to.
Maya, please, I'll just pay for this.
Pay
Let's
for
go.
what? I am not done shopping.
Life is surviving, we live to survive. Live to survive. Oh, nah, nah,
What just happened?
You're awake. Easy, easy, easy. Just lie back down. Careful, lay your head back down.
Yeah, what happened?
Stay. Okay, I came back home to meet you unconscious on the floor. Do you remember anything?
No, I don't. What of the kids?
Relax, relax. The kids are fine. They're asleep. They're worried sick about you. Regina, don't you think we should see a doctor?
No, I'm fine.
Okay then. I'll just fix you a cup of tea, okay? It should help with the migraine. Right? Easy. 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 Relax while I fix you.
oh yeah.
Auntie, Williams thinks that I'm crazy. He doesn't believe I'm seeing any ghosts, and he wants me to go for a mental health evaluation.
But, Regina, whose ghost are you seeing?
I don't know.
Why is it difficult for you to say?
I don't know, and it's driving me crazy.
There must be a reason why the ghost is after you. Tell me, did you kill someone?
Auntie, you know I can never do that. I can't even hurt an animal, not to talk of a human being.
I'm confused. I'm very, very confused.
Oh yeah.
Regina, what did you say happened to you?
I can't really say. I just felt lightheaded. That's all I remember. William said he made me unconscious when I woke up.
I mean, has this been happening? Or is this the first time such is happening?
This is the first time. Williams is suggesting that we go to the hospital, but I don't think it's something serious.
Really? Regina, you think it's not serious? Are you now a doctor to know that? Look, I am with your husband on this one. You need to go to the hospital. You need to know what's wrong with you. Or are you sure you're not pregnant?
Come on, Maya. I am not pregnant. I am not a child. If I'm pregnant, I'll definitely know. A minute, let me check what's on the cooker.
Alright, that's fine.
It's still boiling.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Have this. It's gonna make you feel better. It's your favorite, Regina. Your favorite drink.
Oh,
I mean, you always take it whenever you're nervous.
yeah. I don't think I can take this.
Why?
Rebecca said I should stop drinking.
Oh, yeah, right. She said that, huh?
Can I?
So, do you remember Jenny the holiest?
Jenny the holiest, what's that?
Regina. It is not was that. It is who.
Oh,
What's going on?
let me check. Let me check what I'm cooking.
Hi, Boya.
Hi, Will. Oh, Will, sorry. I wanted to ask, does Regina seem forgetful these days?
Not at all. Why do you ask?
Not at all. No, nothing. I just think she really needs to see a doctor. Yeah. She really needs to see a doctor.
Okay.
All right then, take care.
Take care of yourself.
Maybe it's time to breathe. You have been holding your breath for so long. Maybe it's time to speak. Oh, is there something you've been trying to hide?
Regina will never eat butter. Like hell no, she won't even smell it. Because she hated the smell. You are not Regina.
What are you saying, Maya?
We've been friends since childhood. Best friends. Jenny the holiest is a nickname given to our hostel girls. And of course you do not know that because you are not Regina. Is William even aware that you are an imposter?
What are you talking about? Of course I'm Regina.
Oh, is that so?
How do you expect me to remember a hotel name from 3 months ago?
Well, if you are Regina, you will remember clearly. Because we had a massage session there last month.
Oh yeah. Is there something you've been trying to hide?
So who wants to tell me the pin to Daddy's ATM card? Whoever gets it right will get a cup of milkshake from me.
What was that for?
What was what for?
I mean, why are you making them give you a pin you and I know? Why?
I like to put their brain to test.
With a 4-digit number.
Something like that. It's expensive, Maya.
What do you mean expensive? I mean, this is where you've always shopped. And you've never complained about the price before.
I know. But with the present economy situation, I just want to cut down costs.
Cut down cost? Regina, I don't know you to be like this.
Embracing the lies just to hide the truth. Risking the night just to find the sunshine. The longer it goes, this tension will rise. What have you been hiding? Maybe it's time.
Hello, Williams. Where are you?
Hello, sis. Regina, please. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
Regina? What did you just say?
It's Regina. Ghost is over there.
Does nobody sit up here? Wait, hold on. You're not Regina?
No, she's not. She's not Regina. She's Rebecca. I figured out earlier when I caught her eating butter. Regina would never eat butter.
If you are Rebecca, what the hell is my wife? Stop talking! I swear I'm gonna bash your head against the wall!
I took her body and dumped it in an uncompleted building and dumped it there.
What?
I can't believe this. Rebecca!
I'm sorry. I don't know what got into me. She had a perfect life and I wanted it.
And you think killing me was your best option?
Please, Regina, please.
Oh, please! Stop acting like an idiot. You are not remorseful. You are full of evil. I can't believe you tried to kill me after all I've done for you.
You're not dead?
You must think you're the only one that knows how to act.
Hold on a second. Can someone explain to me what is going on? What's going on?
I am so sorry, Maya. I should have told you, but William said we should keep it between us.
What is that? What's going on? Why are you screaming like that?
I saw someone.
Saw who?
This is a ghost.
Go. Come on, man, there's no body here. I'm sure that there's nothing, absolutely no one there.
So you knew all along?
Of course. I've always known.
When I miraculously gained consciousness, I knew I had to call Williams right away, but I wasn't with my phone. I can't come back to the house because it wasn't safe for me. Then I saw a boy and borrowed his phone to make a call.
When I got a call from her, I immediately cancelled all of my appointments, took the next available flight back home. When I got back, some good Samaritans had already taken her to the hospital. She was unconscious till evening. When she finally woke up, she told me all that happened. Tell me they did this to you. I swear I'm going to have his head. Who?
Promise me you won't do anything. Promise me you won't hurt her, please. Don't hurt her, please.
Oh, okay, fine. But talk to me. Who did this?
It's Rebecca. She never traveled. She pushed me down the stairs. Please don't tell the kids. I don't know if their little hearts can take this. They need their mother. And I know Rebecca will never hurt them. She loves them so much.
Please.
Regina! Regina! Doctor! Doctor! Come on, stay with me, baby. Stay with me. Doctor! Do you know how difficult it was for me to put up an act with this lunatic here? Smiling when I was slowly dying inside. When all I wanted to do was kill her rather than take care of her.
This ghost thing was an idea from me after I recovered. The police wouldn't do anything because we didn't have enough proof. It was just my testimony, which would go nowhere. And we know we needed a confession. So I had to bring up the idea and drive her insane. So she thinks my ghost is really haunting her.
So much evil in one person. Rebecca, I can't believe you tried to kill your only sister after everything she's done for you.
Hello, officers. What's taking so long? Fine. She won't be going anywhere till you get here.
I'm sorry.
You are so evil. You will rot in jail.
I'm sorry, it was the devil.
You're going to be more sorry when the police gets here.
Oh yeah. Oh. Maybe it's time to breathe. You have been holding your breath for so long. Maybe it's time to speak. Oh, is there something you've been trying to?
Oh my God, I missed you. How are you? I was good today. I missed you both so much. I missed you.
Mommy, why are you crying?
It's nothing, Emily, okay? It's nothing.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Mommy's fine. Let's go inside, okay?
That's good.
I can't believe your sister is capable of doing such a thing. She made me believe her. She fooled me.
She fooled everyone, Auntie. I didn't know that all the while she was with me, she envied me to the extent she wanted to get rid of me so she can take my place.
Hey, that's too bad. You must have gone through a whole lot. And I didn't even know. So sorry, my dear. Oh, are you still feeling pain anywhere?
No, don't worry, Auntie. I am fine now, okay? So you don't have to worry.
Now, wow. I feel no atom of pity for her. Let her rot in jail. Huh? That girl is not a human being. Hey. So sorry for everything, my dear. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah. Is there something you've been trying to hide?
My baby.
Hey, baby.
And guess what?
What?
You know that leave I applied for?
Yes?
I may have gotten it.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my God!
So guess what?
What?
We will be vacationing to any country of your choosing.
I like that.
So now, one question.
What?
Are we traveling alone or we're traveling with the kids?
Well, I would say we would go with the kids this time. But first, there is somewhere I would like us to be.
Oh, really? Where?
Life is the vibe Such a beauty of life. Oh na na, oh na na. Life is the vibe you can live in how you like. Oh na na, oh na 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 na. Everybody knows that we live and we die. Embracing the
Babe? You're still awake?
Yes.
What's the matter? Why are you still awake?
Something is bothering me.
Okay, you know you can talk to me. What is it?
It's about my sister.
Oh, Jesus. Seriously? Listen, I don't even want to hear that name.
Babe, I won't be able to live with myself knowing that I sent her to prison.
Are you being serious right now? But she would have been able to live with herself if she had succeeded in killing you. Can you hear yourself talk? Huh? Come on, listen, you're not getting out of jail, and that's final. You're depriving yourself of sleep over somebody who wanted to kill you.
Babe, please. Please, let me see her, even if it's just for 1 second before she would be arraigned. Please.
Would that make you happy? Okay, fine. If that's going to make you happy, then that's fine.
Thank you.
Right. So, would you sleep right now?
life is a vibe and we live to survive. Live to survive.
You'll be arraigned tomorrow. Yes. Thank you for coming to see me. I'm glad to know that you're fine. Good luck, Rebecca. Kids. The kids. How are they? Trust me. They are not going to notice your absence. Please, I have a favor to ask you. Please don't tell them what I did. I don't want them to grow up hating on me. Please.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Maybe it's time to breathe. You have been holding your breath for so long. Maybe it's time to speak. Oh, is there something you've been trying to hide? Oh yeah. Is there something you've been trying to hide? Embracing the lies just to hide the truth. Risking the night just to find the sunshine. The longer it goes, this tension will rise. What have you been hiding? Maybe it's time to be